Claude Code in CICD, the same agent you use interactively, dropped into pipelines and pull requests. Here's the whole picture. Interactive chat on one side, a headless one-shot command on the other, feeding JSON into automation, CI, guardrails, and graceful fallbacks. On the left, the familiar loop. A human types into the Claude Code chat, the agent reads CLAUDE.md, and you iterate together. On the right, Claude-P, one prompt, one run, then exit. No interactive shell, just a command that produces output and returns. Crucially, Headless is not a stripped-down mode. Same engine, same tools, same conventions. Claude.md is loaded. Read, grep, and bash all work. Add output format JSON, and the result becomes structured. Now you can pipe it into JQ or any script. Machine-readable output is what makes this automatable. Drop it into CI. On every pull request event, a step runs Claude-P reviewing the diff, writes review.json, and a later step posts it as a PR comment. That is the whole pattern. Headless removes the human gate. Nobody is there to approve mid-run. So put the gate in config, scope tools tightly with an allow list, set a max iteration cap, and fail closed when something looks wrong. And the production-shaped fallback. Check if Claude is on path. If it is, run it. If not, log a skip and keep going. Your pipeline never breaks just because the binary isn't installed. 4 sweet spots: PR triage, changelog and release note drafts, code mods across the repo, and is this doc still true checks. Anywhere a human would skim and judge, that's the job. You can build all of this today. Next, make it not lie in production. That's plain 06.